Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, I'll be talking about how you can convert your Python file into exe file. Just imagine the scene that you have created an awesome Python program and you want to share it with your friend. Then how you will do that? You have the only way, that is you select the directory that contains all those scripts and the external packages you used in your code and send him. Then what he will has to do is he has to install Python in his system, install the code editor like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm or Ideal, and after that he has to run your application by typing command on his terminal. And to run this application of suppose 9 MB or 10 MB, your friend is not going to this all, and he will say, no man, you put your application in your pocket, I'm not going to use this. And that's the truth, because he's not technical person enough to handle this all. So in that case, how can you distribute your application? I will show you how. So the only way to do is you have to convert that Python file to .exe. That is a standalone executable application, and what it will do is it will bundle all the scripts and packages you used and return you in a form of single application that is executable. So follow me to know that how can you do that. So first of all, open your CMD and write pip install auto py to exe. So autopy to exe will be installed in your system, and it will take a few seconds. And in my system it's also already installed, so it's showing this message that requirement already satisfied. Okay, so now to open this application, right here auto py to exe. Okay, so it will be opened in your local host, and there is some problem in my Google Chrome, so it's opening. Okay, let's try again. You can see that autopy to exe has been opened. So you have to first select that Python file that you want to convert into .exe. So for this, browse your folder. I will go to my Python folder. Python folder, and I will select my Python file, that is trial 1. If you have remembered this thing, that in the last video I have developed a battery alarm application, that was trial 1. I will select this, and I want only one file, and this program was a window based program, because I have used Hinter, so there was no use of terminal. So I want this application as a window based application, and I will set icon of my application. And remember one thing, that when you are choosing icon for your application, you have to select .ico file also, because this accepts only file of .ico format. Okay, so here I selected my icon, and additional files I will attach to music. If you remember that for that battery alarm application, for low battery and for full battery, I use two music, right? So I will attach them. If you did not watch this video battery alarm application, go and watch for better understanding about the application. I attached those mp3 files. Now I will simply click this button, convert.py to .exe. Now it's being converted. Wait a minute, it will take some time. You can see that it has been converted to .exe successfully. So now open output folder. In this folder my output has been stored, and you can see this is a type of application. If you check its property, you can see that type of file is .exe. In the beginning it was a file of .py Python file, and now it's .exe file. Okay, so now what you have to do is you just simply double click on this, and it will your application will be opened. You see, I simply double click on this file on this application, and my application opened. So this is the process, that a very simple process, that you can convert your Python file to a executable application. So like this you can make your application distributable, and people can use your application in their real life and can get benefits from it. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this, don't forget to hit a like, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you guys, hope to see you soon. Bye bye.